Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to use Google Lens on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first open Chrome, and here on your home screen you can see this little button here that looks like a camera. Press on it, and it will ask to use your camera. Press while using the app. Press continue. So now you can point your camera at an object and look for it in the web. Or you can select a photo from your gallery. Press allow all or allow limited access. Pick an object you want to see. And now you'll get all results regarding this object. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.